What's poppin', guys? Hope y'all doing great, doing fantastic, all that good stuff. Welcome to the vlog. We're over here, well, I'm over here, loading up some fireworks. Let me show you guys. I got a couple of them right here. The rest of them in the car already. I got some mortars over there on the table, but the problem with the mortars, I don't have a tube. Yeah, I don't have a tube. So, let me show you guys. Yeah, we got a couple down there, and we got all these all the way back into there. We got some more to go to it. It's gonna be a good night. And plus, we just went and spent about another $130, a couple friends of mine did, on some more fireworks. I wish I had a tube that I could take these mortars, because I got like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then, I don't know, there's a bunch of them right here. A whole bunch of mortars over there. And so I got like probably 20 something mortars over there. But yeah, I don't have any tubes. Thought I had tubes over here. I don't, but it is what it is. Alrighty, so now we got the car loaded down. That whole seat over there is full of fireworks. We're going to make our way to town and get some food, I think, first, and then go over to where we'll let the fireworks off at. I'm not too sure where we're going to let them off at, but a couple friends and me, we're all gonna go meet up and shoot these fireworks off. Let's make our way there. Yo, so this car right in front of us, right there, that's Thomas and them, following them out to where we're gonna be letting the fireworks off at. So let's go. Yo, so we got some sparklers and stuff going on over here, and now we're laying out all this over here. It's pretty much laid out. We got this row, that row, and then the grand finale row. Thomas has a little bit over here, and then yeah, so it should be a little show. It's not gonna be as big as yesterday's, but it'll be all right. Y'all, so we got Thomas here. He's trying to get his little stick lit up.
And his daughter.
Oh, we can't see her, but she's over there. Everyone else is up there. We're about to start lighting them up, and then we're gonna go into these after these. So it's gonna be a good show, guys. Hopefully. Crazy. Huh? That one's crazy. Hell yeah. There we go. Going with the next one. This one here, another little repeater. Awesome. Could have lit that one on. Now he's lighting the fountain here. Should just be chilling down there. It shouldn't. I don't think it shoots up anything out of it, but it might. There it goes. Yeah, this looks cool. This one will probably take a while, guys. So it's pretty cool. Definitely really cool. It's just a fountain. He's going in with the other one down there now. Nope. The inside. Right, there you go. There he goes. Hold on. But he lit the other one in the back. There's the other one. Oh yeah. The fountain's still going. Ooh, we're getting hit by stuff. Oh yeah, crazy. Ooh. When you think it's done, it's not done. Fountains go on forever. They're awesome, though. They're really cool ground effects. I've been doing firework vlogs 3 in a row now, but guys, I don't know, I love fireworks. Whew. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, but I love fireworks, so it's definitely cool. All right, I'm gonna go in and start lighting mine. Holy moly, that thing's still going off, guys. I think it might be almost done. You never know with that thing. I think we're finally done with it, though. Whew. All right, we're going into this now. Oh snap. Oh, there we go. It's not done yet. Ooh, that's some spread on it. It's not done yet. That was dope. I don't get burnt by sparks. I'm gonna wait a second though, because I don't know. Might be done. Okay, we're good. Here we go. Grand finale. Woo! There's one out there that hasn't got lit yet. Down in between all that. Woo! That one's gonna. Whew. Here it comes. How's that?
One more that we missed.
One more?
Yeah.
Which one? How big is it? It's supposed to be huge.
Oh yeah.
That's all we got left. That's all we got left. Woo. That one was supposed to go off during the grand finale, but we forgot it. So, for safety reasons, we didn't go after it. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Yeah, there they go. That's all we got left is that. But that ones with the other two were pretty badass. So, hope you guys enjoyed. All right, you guys. So. The fireworks is over with, everything's done. I'm on my way home now, so I'm just gonna shut the vlog off here. This was definitely not probably as long as the rest of them has been lately, but I really wasn't gonna film today. So we're gonna shoot an arcade video for you tomorrow. So, well, at least we're gonna try to anyway. So you guys will have that out tomorrow, as of right now, unless something comes up. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the other firework videos. If you guys are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button at 200 subscribers. If you guys are new here, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So yeah, 200 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. So share my channel, share my videos, enjoy them, like them, comment. It all helps. I appreciate every single one of you guys. And yeah, if you guys want to do any kind of collab videos or anything like that, hit me up. My email's down below. You can email me, you can comment on this video, whatever you guys want to do. But I'll see you guys next time. Well, see you guys tomorrow. So keep on keeping on. Don't let anyone bring it down. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.